Hi, I am Sri, Uncle Sri. Let us learn maths. Today we are going to learn multiplication table 5. Okay, now this multiplication table we will learn in a different way. I have got a line. I drew this line with the help of a scale. And I have drawn the straight line. Now, what I am going to do, I am going to mark numbers on this line. When you mark number on this line, equal distances I am going to take. Okay, now see 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. I continue. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Let me mark the numbers. The number starts with 0, then 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? And then 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. The number line starts from 0 and with equal distance 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and goes till 10. Now I am going to learn about multiplication number 5. I need something for me to understand. When you write number, the line becomes number line. What is it called? Number line. Number line is nothing. Number line is a line which has numbers in it. And now I am going to use this number line to learn about table 5. How? Again, I will want something. Always I want something to explain it to you. Yes, today agra and I got a small bunny. What I got? I got a bunny. Let me give think to it. Yes, beautiful. It's beautiful. This bunny can hop. What the bunny will do? It will jump, 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 hop. What do you call this? It is going to hop now. How is it going to hop? It will hop 5 steps, jump like this, and then jump like this. Every time when it jumps, it will jump 5 steps. When it jumps, let us see how it is jumping now. You see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It will jump 5 steps. Done. This is one time. How many steps it jumped? 5 steps it jumped. So what is 1 5s are how much? 5. Now what the bunny is going to do? It is going to again jump 5 steps. So 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And you see here, it is jumped like this, right? And this is the second time it has jumped, hopped. Okay, so 2 5s is equal to how much? 10. 2 5s are 10. Now, I can make it very simple. Now 10 has come. I have to add 5 to this. When I add 10 to 10 and 5, then I get 15. When I add 5 to 10, I get 15. How is this going to be? Again 5 steps, but how many times? Already 1 time over and 2 times over. Okay, now I am going to change the number. Instead of 0, now I have come to 10. I will make it 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and this is 20. Right. Now, third time when it jumps, it is from 10 to 15. It jumps like this. Catch very carefully, you watch it. Yes, my bunny is jumping. 3 5s are 15. Now fourth time when it jumps, it will become 4 5s are 20. Very good. Now can I continue like this? Right. Now 20 is over. 20 plus 5 how much? 25. That is 5 into how many steps? Already 4 steps are over. Next will be fifth step. Same number line. Instead of 10, now this is 20. Bring the 20 here. So 2, then 21. After 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. Very good. Now the bunny is going to jump. This is 4 jumps are over and this is going to be fifth jump. 20 plus 5, 25, 25 plus 5, 30. So the sixth jump, when it does, it will be 6 5s are 30. You understand what I am doing? Now what should come here? Think carefully. What number should come here? The bunny is going to sleep till you think. Bunny is going to sleep. What number should come here? 30 is here. The 30 will come here. After 30, what is there? 31. Right. And 32, 33, 34, 35. And after 35, it is 36, 37, 38, 39 and 40. Now, how many jumps it has done? Already 6 jumps it has done. Now it is going to hop the 7th one and then it is going to hop the 8th one. Let us find out. If it does 7th jump, what will happen? 30 and 7 5s will be 5 more steps you add. Hop it 5 more. That is 35. Then add 1 more. That will be, let me erase this here. Right. Okay. It will very, I need space now. 8th time, when it jumps from 35, 5 steps, 8 5s are 40. Now you know very well what should come next. 40 should come here. This will become 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. When it does 45, 8th, it will become 9. And then 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. That is the last jump today it is going to do, because that bunny is very tired. Oh, why are you tired? You want some food? You want to eat something, bunny? Oh, I will give you carrot. After this video, I will give you carrot. It's now going to jump now. It's going to now jump. Yes, let us see now. 40, just to jump, next jump, 45. That is 9th jump. 9 5s are 45. After coming here, again last it is going to go home. The bunny has got her home here and it is going to go here as her home. Right? It is reaching her home. That is 50. That is 10 5s are 50. Now bunny is tired. Now bunny has reached home. I'll try to keep it here. Bunny, will you stay here? Yes, bunny is staying there. Let the bunny be there and we will do our calculation. And then I will go and give bunny some carrot. Nice carrot. Right? And we will do numerical. And you ask your mummy to make carrot juice. Carrot juice is very good. It is vitamin A. And you can see very clear. You see, when I remove the specs, who is here? Who is here? I don't know. I can't see clearly. I have to wear specs. You want to not wear specs? Then eat carrot like bunny. Right? That's good for you. So now what happened now? I got the whole table with me. You understand why this line is called number? Because numbers are written on that. If I don't write numbers, it's not a number line. It's called only a straight line. Okay, now I'm using that for tape. Oh, the bunny has fallen. Oh, are you okay? Are you okay? Yes, 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 yes. Oh, you are okay. You are okay. Okay, you go home and sleep. Huh? Go home and sleep now. Right. It's going to sleep now. Oh, it's going to sleep. Why? Now, let me write the table on the board. The whole table on the board. You all see what I am doing and you all repeat it and then write it neatly in a notebook. Okay? And then you will understand better. More and more you practice, you will understand better. Right? You can, it's very easy. It is very, very, very easy. 1 5s are 5, 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15, 4 5s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 6 5s are 30. Put a line, put another line. Okay. Now 7 5s are 35, 8 5s are 40, 9 5s are 45, 10 5s are 50. Yeah, you can tell 11 5s are 55, 12 5s are 60. Remember, how many minutes are there in 1 hour? 1 hour has 60 minutes, right? You also can write 11 5s are 55, 12 5s are 60. But for you, this is enough, right? Don't go more. You'll find it very, very, very difficult. Is it difficult? Okay. Now, 1 5s are 5, 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15, 4 5s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 6 5s are 30, 7 5s are 35, 8 5s are 40, 9 5s are 45, 10 5s are 50. Yes, you get my now multiplication table, or you wanted to say another way? Okay, we can also tell like this: 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35, 5 8s are 40, 5 9s are 45, 5 10s are 50. Half a century. You know, in cricket, 50 is half a century and century is 100, and that we will learn when we do 10th multiplication table. I hope you understand. This is how. Remember here, this is the 5th multiplication table. All are 5. And these numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. It goes on and on and on and on. And you see jump 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. 30. Then 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. 60. Yes, these are very easy. Maths is easy with Uncle Sri. Thank you.